Hey, this is Nathaniel back with coding-bootcamps.com. In the last video, we talked about reading a new document that we put and updated into our Mongo database. And in this tutorial, we're going to talk about deleting that document. So again, we're going to run all of the same code that we did in the last example, just to keep building off of each video one by one. So quick reminder, we're creating a new document with our insert command. We're updating that document so that we're changing the first name, and we're reading the document, so we're going to print that out again. Just like last video, we're expecting to have an updated name because we've updated the document, an updated first name. And now in this section, we're going to delete the document. So we're going to uncomment out this little section of code. We're going to print that we're deleting the document. And we're going to, similar to all the other commands, we're going to say mydb.myCollection.delete1. And we're going to give it a little JSON object, which again, just like both of the other commands, tells it which document we're looking for. So we're looking for an email of johnsmith@example.com. And then we're going to print the delete status. And that's it. So let's save it again. And let's give it a run. Alright, so again, created a new document, updated the document, acknowledged that it was updated, read the document, we see we've got Johnny Boy, and now we're deleting the document, and we see we have acknowledged true, deleted count 1, because again, we are printing out the status that gets returned from the Mongo deleted command. Awesome. So that pretty much covers everything for CRUD. It's pretty easy. Just to look back and do a quick recap, we have this employee record that we are inserting, and we are going off and updating that record here. We're getting the update status as a result of that call to update one. We're printing the status. We're then looking for that document and printing out the document that we find with the updated data. And then we're going and we're deleting the document here. Again, providing the information we're looking for and recording that status and printing it out. Awesome. So in the next example, we're going to talk about some other operations that we can do with modifying data. See you then.